मुझे छोड़ दो, मुझे जाने दो।
Let me go.
देखो,
As you
तुमने
said,
जैसा कहा, अब जो मैंने वैसा ही
now
किया।
let me go.
अब मुझे जाने दो।
Let me go.
मुझे
Don't kill
मत मारो।
me. Leave
मुझे
me
छोड़ दो।
alone. Let me
मुझे
go.
मत मारो।
Don't kill me. We make lot of fun, huh? Okay. You bastard! You call the cops? You call the colleagues? Huh? Team? What happened, Shivangi?
Sir, I couldn't catch him.
What?
Yes, sir.
Arjun? Yes, sir. Search. Sir? He is no more. Damn it. Arjun? Yes, sir. Call the ambulance. And identify the body and send it to the postmortem room. Yes, sir.
I couldn't see his face, sir. Hey, wait! Come here. Remove this. Remove it. You? You're the same person,
Yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Radhe.
What are you doing here?
I was wondering. I'm going home.
And where are you coming from?
Why, ma'am? We're darting on myself. And, ma'am, you just said I shouldn't go out of my home. I was just wandering out of it. I was just taking walk. Sir.
Sit down. Arjun,
Yes, sir.
arrest him.
Sir, I didn't do anything.
Come.
Sir,
Come.
sir, I didn't do anything.
Yeah, now. Yes, tell us fast. What were you doing there?
Sir, what happened is, I don't like being at home. I just take walk outside. I have no one. I was born like that. My father used to call me Owl. My eyes are lighten up in the night. He used to say that. What happened is, sir, lot of people drink and drive every day. It is danger to go outside, sir. And what happened is, it's my habit to walk on footpaths and all. You know, sir, it is kind of a chess, black and white boxes. We see, I was on the black box and sometime on the white box. White box, black box, white box. I just forgot the countings, forgot the timings and all, and I was on the black box, on the black. I was going, and there was a road, and black box was over. I didn't want to get out. Just God has given me a good power. Oh, whatever I think, it happens the same. That black, white. I can see it all. And I was on the black. I don't know, he was in the middle suddenly. I just told him, get out of here. But he did not listen to me. And he was drunk also. I just told him, see. He was not getting me. I was just very kind to him. Then my devil got up. And I did bad. And he was looking at me. And he was behaving that he don't know me. Yeah. And he was on my black box. It was a municipality's black box. That's okay. Black box was my box. My brain built it. He did not know who am I. I told him, Radhe. He did not get it. I just pushed him. He fell down. And where? On my black box. And he was drunk too. And he slept there. I was gone wrong. What should I do? And after that, I just got mad. And there was a big stone. And I just got it and crushed his head. Mashed it. Like that. After that, he was not dead. He was not dead. And he just called the cops. And after that, this madam, she caught me.
You bastard!
So,
He's telling the story of Raman Raghav. Who Raman Raghav?
so there's an actor, sir, that a good actor. I'm a big fan of him, sir.
Have you seen his pictures?
I've seen, sir, 25 times I've seen it. All the dialogues I remember, sir.
Mind your language.
Don't be ruffian.
Sorry, sir. It was a nice story, huh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You bastard! You think police is fool? Huh? Huh? You telling us filmy stories? Huh?
You know what, sir? You call me every time to time pass, sir. What should I do now? It's my job to pass your time nicely, na, sir? And especially madam's time.
Really? Arjun!
Yes, sir.
Just take care.
Yes, sir.
This beautiful bastard. Okay, sir. And you know I don't have to worry about it, okay? Okay, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Shivangi, he's very
Tell.
smart.
Sir, let's leave him.
What?
Arjun?
Shivangi,
Sir, I know him. He has not done anything. He is innocent. I think I have only mistaken.
Arjun. Leave him alone. Okay, sir. Go. Thank you, madam. You just live longer.
Dal. Hey, get out. Let's go.
Shivangi, don't you think we just committed a mistake releasing him?
No, sir. The mistake which we have done, we are trying to rectify that.
What do you mean?
Sir, not just a doubt, but I completely believe that the murders which are happening in the city, he is somewhere involved in that. And along with him, there can be many people as well. Because this cannot be done by a single person.
So we can give the bastard third degree and get the news. The truth.
Sir, did you see him? How he was telling us stories? And we don't even have any evidence against him. And he will be out on bail easily.
What is your plan right now?
Sir, I have a plan. Buy some balloons. Beautiful, colorful balloons. Buy some balloons. Beautiful, colorful balloons. Is someone there? Take some balloons. Beautiful, colorful balloons. Take some balloons. Beautiful, colorful balloons. Buy some balloons. Balloon. Oh, sir, please take some balloons, sir. I haven't eaten since 2 days. If you buy a balloon, you'll get a lot of blessings, sir. Please buy some balloons, sir. Please take it, sir. Please, please. Please, sir. I'm starving with hunger, sir. Please buy this, sir. I haven't eaten since 2 days, sir.
Take it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You really have a big heart, sir. You're really a nice person, sir. Food is really tasty, sir. Thank you, sir. You fed this poor human, sir. By the way, you stay over here, sir.
I am drunk. Oh, I am drunk. Oh my god. And now I'm enjoying? Wow. After leaving me there, you are enjoying yourself with other people?
What can I do? You don't give me anything to eat. Now someone else is giving. You even have problem with
Shut
that?
up. You speak a lot, chatterbox, huh? This is your habit. You go hither and thither and meeting people. Come home in the night. I'll tell you who am I. Get it? And listen, Do not come without my beautiful bottle. Huh? You get it? Otherwise, I'll break both of your legs. And you can't even walk. I'll beat you so much. You get it? I am a drunk man. Hey, give it to me. Give it to me. Hey.
Hmm?
I can't sleep. You are late now.
Then what's wrong with that? Even I'm working. And you knew this before our marriage. That for me, my job is so important.
Let me say something. Aren't you cheating on me?
What? You are doubting on me? Don't you have some shame?
You should be ashamed of yourself. You don't have time for your husband, huh? I do job. I have other works. I always get time for you, huh?
There's a difference between your job and my job. Why don't you understand that?
It's not about job. It's about your thinking.
Yes, I don't have any time. You think whatever you want. Take balloons, balloons. Buy some colorful balloons. Take some balloons. Take some balloons. Take some balloons. Buy some balloons. Beautiful colorful balloons. Buy some colorful balloons. Take some balloons. Sir, I am extremely thirsty, sir. Can I get some water, sir? See how the world has become now. Nobody offers a glass of water, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. See how people are. No one even offers a glass of water, sir. But look at you, sir. You have such a big heart. And even your house, sir. My mother keeps saying that it's all about our destiny, sir. Now look at this. Such a big house, big car. These things are written in destiny, sir. Now look at us, sir. My life is such a misery. We live in small houses. I came 4 days ago here. And I'm looking for some work, sir. Please look at it, sir. Sir. Sir, if I get something to eat, sir. I'm starving since morning, sir. Not even one balloon has been sold. Sir, it's too delicious, sir. Mm-mm. Who makes this food, by the way?
मैं
I live
अकेले
alone.
रहता हूँ,
and
मैं
I
खुद
cook
बनाता
myself.
हूँ।
It's too tasty, sir. Mm. 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 Uh,
My father's.
good.
My father used to collect antique things.
Sir, it's very nice. Can I keep it, sir?
It's not for you. What will you do with it?
Actually, the thing is, sir, try to tease and irritate my husband with this. Actually, the thing is, you gave me that food yesterday. Then, after going home, he abused me a lot and was even beating me as well. Because I couldn't arrange his alcohol. Then he just hit me with his belt a lot. Take a look, sir. Sir, I don't want to go to that monster back, sir. Please just keep me over here, sir. I'll do the cleaning and dusting of your house and I will even cook for you, sir. But please keep me over here, sir. Please give me shelter at your place, sir.
Listen, I can't keep you there. But I have one more house out of the city. I come often there. But you can live there.
Sir, I can stay anywhere, sir. At least I will be safer from him, sir.